to access the Telegram cloud. Start by opening the Telegram app and logging into your account. Once logged in, create a new channel by clicking the pencil icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and selecting New Channel. Fill in the required details. Assign your channel a name, e.g., File Storage Channel, and click the check mark at the top right corner. Next, decide whether the channel should be public or private. For private channels, you'll need to provide a public link. Enter the desired link and confirm your changes by clicking the check mark again. Afterward, you can choose to add subscribers to the channel, but this step is optional. To proceed, click the arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen to skip adding subscribers. Then, open the navigation menu, often referred to as the burger menu. From there, click the clip icon located next to the bell icon. This will allow you to view files stored on your device, such as photos, videos, or other documents. Select the file you'd like to upload, for example, a video, and send it to your channel. Once the file is uploaded, you can begin using the Telegram cloud for file storage.